You know, it's one of the most important days of the year for one of the most important family members. Talking about Mother's Day. We've come up with 10 things that the adventurous and outdoor loving mom are gonna like, or at least I think so. What's up, it's Chris Young. And coming up right now, I'm gonna give you those ideas, so hang on. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. You know what? Too often, mom's hobbies go on the back burner. So if your mom's adventurous and outdoor loving, why not put her in the forefront of something like the front of a kayak? When was the last time she got a chance to actually handle the kayak going down the rivers? Maybe your mom likes to paddleboard. Paddleboards right here, fantastic. You can easily store it inside storage compartments inside your RV, but when you're ready to go and get out on the lake, solid and sturdy. Plus, we have tons of kayaks from 2-seaters to single-seaters, everything for the river and raft lover. You're also gonna want some of the outdoor gear. Get your mom something like an igloo backpack. Not only can it carry all the gear you want for outdoors, it's insulated, can carry all your drinks as well. Does mom like to bird watch? Or maybe she wants to spy on you to make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing this Mother's Day? Tons of binoculars for her to check out. And since we are talking about the outdoors, why not get mom one of these great Coleman Power Sports? Everything from 2-seaters like these little UTVs to motorcycles. And even some great ATVs like this Coleman 400 UTV outfitter that is a great side-by-side, even has the gate on the back, so if mom needs to carry some stuff around the campsite, the home, whatever, she has all the space, style, and comfort that she could need to enjoy the outdoors. Think about mom and what she likes to do, because an investment in her adventures and her enjoyment is a return you're gonna enjoy for a lifetime. Now, let's take a look at some picnic gear. You know, whether you're camping or not camping, sometimes taking mom on a picnic with a homemade meal inside your camper, outside on the exterior kitchen, or just grabbing some stuff to go. When was the last time you took your mom for a picnic? At Camping World Gander RV and Outdoors, we have everything you need for those picnic essentials. If you want to go to the beach or you just don't want sand and dirt everywhere, check out these multi-mats. These are great, plus they're sand-free. We have picnic caddies that you can load those meals prepped in, or everything you need for the picnic. Want to decorate the campsite a little bit? Get mom some happy lights, that'll make her smile. We even have utensils to prep the meal so you can make yourself look like an actual chef that will impress the daylights out of mom if you spend some time and use some good equipment. And look, if mom likes a nice beverage, get her a good bottle of wine to go on that picnic. Get her one of these. Maybe you just fill this up with some fresh, clean water. We got the caddies for you as well. When it comes to carrying everything around, you can do the regular baskets, you can do picnic baskets, you can do what I like to call the barbecue caddies, where you can put all your condiments in, maybe your saran wrap. If you're gonna be outside, we got you covered there too. Protect your mom as well with some sunscreen. One of my favorite things, these quick set clamshells are great because you can still enjoy the sun outside and the breeze. We have everything that's gonna make that picnic for Mother's Day perfect. So if you have not taken your mom out for a picnic and sat outside at the campsite and enjoyed a nice beverage from one of the coolers that you can get at Camp World and Gander RV and Outdoors, I think you and your mom have been missing out. So when you get done with the picnic, you can come sit, chat, and reconnect and talk about, oh, I don't know, maybe going for a dip in a pool or a lake or the ocean. Now maybe you want to kind of go relax at the pool, the lake, the ocean, the river, or maybe you just want to take this thing snow skiing down a hill, whatever. Gander RV and Outdoors and Camping World has tons of swimming supplies and lounging supplies. You could have something like this Swimline Pool Lounger. These are plush, comfortable, and great. You got the floats that look like the rosé bottle. If you want to bring the little ones along, we even have the floaters for the canopies. If you want to do some towing behind a boat and get really fun, wait until you see some of the bigger items we have, like this big brawler. We also have the Orchid floater. Mom's always making you pizza or ordering you pizza, so why not give mom a pizza slice float? And if you want to spend some time with the loved ones, or you know your wife is the best mom on the planet, why not get this dual lounger so both of you can relax? Chris, I don't want to blow it up. That's okay. We have the unfoldables there. Plus, we also have all the tools necessary for you to blow up the floats that you're going to need to help mom enjoy this Mother's Day. Now, once you get out of the pool, you're probably going to want to dry off or warm up. Speaking of, I think I'm going to jump in here in this one here in just a second. So coming up, we're going to talk about fire pits and how easy they can get at Camping World and Gander. But I'm going to take it to, oh, maybe not. Is that Hoffa? Okay, so mom's had a great picnic. You got her to relax a little bit by lounging on one of those floaters. Now, what do you say we really wow her by building her a fire? Sure, you could go get the wood and put everything together, but when was the last time you did that? Do you really know how to do it? Plus, it's gonna give mom a bunch of smoke and odor blowing in her face, and you really don't want that. You want mom to enjoy it. That's why if you come to Camping World in Gander, you'll see we have these propane fire pits. They all go from large to small, and they're great for cooking the marshmallows, which mom would have remembered, but you know, she's the smartest one in the family, really, which is why I didn't remember it, but she would have. And you hook this up to your propane tank, kicks off heat, gives great light. Some of them have lava rocks. Some of them have the sets already made, like these little red campfires. Easy to set up, lightweight, and you can store them right in your RV, in your truck, however you want to do it. But mom will appreciate the fact that you thought about her enjoyment while sitting outside, talking with her loved ones by a campfire. What better way to enjoy it? Except for maybe having the four-legged friends along. Dogs are coming up right now. Who's a good boy, Bobby? Who's a good boy, Bobby? Who's a good boy? I'm not actually calling the dog Bobby is the video guy. I just like to pretend that he is sometimes. But you know, your mom might have a favorite furry friend, and what's one way to her heart? Buying the animal something as well. And yes, Camping World, Gander RV and Outdoors, not only do we have everything for mom for these outdoor adventures, but we also have everything for the four-legged friends adventures as well. Whether you're sitting at home, lounging by the pool, or camping, we have what your four-legged friend is gonna love. And if they're happy, chances are mom might be happy because, like the mat says, never camp alone, right? Just check out some of the things that we have down this aisle that you're gonna find at any Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Plus, we are pet friendly. If you bring your pet in on the leash, have them walk around and pick out the toy that's right for them. That's why I really didn't want to pick out anything specific, because your dog might like tennis balls, mom's dog might like the pig, or like Bob's dog, hate the oinker. Let me tell you, if you're looking for anything that's gonna help them enjoy that camping experience and have fun, maybe they need bowls, maybe you need waste bags, maybe you need light up collars, maybe you need a travel bed. The things to make sure that you keep your furry friend clean on the road. And you know, when mom's gonna be comfortable at the campsite or just lounging in one of those padded club chairs, the recliners, the two-seater, we even have things like these padded ottomans that are great for the four-legged friends, or the two-seater chairs. Trust me, she's gonna appreciate you thinking of her this Mother's Day, but also her pet. Get them the fluffy, comfy things that they desire. Now, when mom really wants to chill out, whether it's in the morning or the evening, especially if she's out camping and adventurous, she's gonna need an insulated mug or something that's gonna keep those drinks warm or cold. Wait until you see what I got next. I mean, let's be honest. Nothing happens until coffee has been had. And I think mom knows that more than anything. So if you haven't gotten her something to help keep her coffee warm while she's out on the road, or something she can enjoy drinking out of, because insulated mugs, we have tons of different styles here at Camping World, Gander RV and Outdoors, from the portables to just the regular cups with the sip tops to the large thermoses. We got you covered. And then in the evening time, nothing happens until the beverage has been poured, right? If mom likes to keep her beverage cold or warm, we got everything that's gonna help that as well. These steins come in extremely handy. If she likes to make the margaritas or the martinis, check those out. Mom would absolutely love the fact that you have thought about her and her enjoyment of beverages while enjoying the outdoors. Now, if she likes the premium stuff, wait until you see the Robert Irvine. Robert Paul Irvine, world famous chef, entrepreneur, fitness guru. We are excited to partner with him at Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors, because not only did he bring all of his cookware and cooking essentials with us, he's really good at designing some awesome drinkware as well. So if you want to get mom something a little bit more decorative, this would be the spot to check out. Speaking of checking out, mom's probably going to check out after she gets under some of these cozy blankets I'm about to show you next. Oh, I'm in my happy place. I'm in my happy place. You ever notice how mom always, well, at least my mom did, always walked around with like a little blanket on? These are some of the most comfortable blankets that you can get anybody. And with Mother's Day coming up, these are gonna be great for mom. I think she's gonna enjoy them. Not only are they plush, comfortable, we have everything from weighted blankets like these to the fuzzy throws to these Sherpas that are absolutely outstanding. Now, once mom gets under the blanket, she's probably gonna wanna crash out. And a lot of people don't realize this, but Camping World, Gander RV and Outdoors, we sell mattresses. Not only in the RVs, you can get upgraded mattresses like the Comfort Tech, the Comfort Zone. And if you get something that's gonna be camp size for your RV, like a Camp Queen, we have the sheets that are gonna fit it, comfortable, plush, and ready to go. You don't have to go anywhere else to make sure that mom's gonna have a comfortable nap or a comfortable sleep when it comes to camping. And she's gonna appreciate the fact that you thought about that when you come to Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Extenders, toppers, sheets, and yes, even pillows. We got mom's good night of sleep covered. Now when she wakes up refreshed, she's gonna be ready to hit the camping trail, hit the beach, hit the river, and we got a tote that's right for her. So with Mother's Day, if you're gonna get your mom a whole bunch of stuff, why not get her something to carry it in? Because look, camp totes are great, but what's gonna be more important than that are the thoughtful things that you put in it. We talked about cups, we talked about, picnics. Why not put some of her favorite teas or coffees in there? Give her that with the cup, maybe some stuff to do or make the picnic with, or some marshmallows to roast over the fire pit. Having totes are great because not only are they cloth, they're easy to clean, they look good, they're for the camper, for the outdoors and adventurous, but they also collapse and can be put away. You have small ones, you got large ones, and everything that mom could need or use depending on, whatever she's gonna tote while enjoying the great outdoors. So hopefully some of these ideas have kind of sparked your thought on what you're gonna give your adventurous and outdoor loving mom this Mother's Day. But I got one last thing that you might not be thinking about. So there are some ideas right there that you can get mom for this Mother's Day if she's an adventurous, outdoor loving mother. But there is one last thing to think about. You probably see it in my hand right now. A gift card. Nothing like retail therapy. Sure, mom may be difficult to shop for Mother's Day, but sometimes getting her a gift card gives you the thought that, Mom, I want you to get what you want this holiday. Because if you think about it, she's absolutely worth it. 277%. Do yourself and your mom a favor. Get her something nice this holiday. You can find everything you need for the adventure and the outdoors at Camping World or Gander. And visit us online, campingworld.com, ganderrv.com. Just do me a favor. Get her something nice. Come on, she's worth it. I'll see you soon.